Alright, what's up? It's Verde BMX42, and this is my first video, so thought it might as well be for my bike. It's 2010 Verde Vex. Not really a lot of modifications done to it. It's pretty much stock, but first modification I did to it was put in demolition brake pads. You're not gonna be able to see this, but yeah, you can't really see them, but they're really, really good for $7 brake pads. Next modification was I put Odyssey Twisted PC pedals on it, white. It came with them already on, well, not the white ones, they came in black. But I decided to put white ones on because, well, I had them, so why not? And next I got Animal Edwin grips. Really, really nice grips. I mean, these things, oh my god, I can't even describe them. And then I got Animal bar ends. Really, really strong. Aluminum. And like 15 bucks though in my bike shop. But it's got a Duo Stunner rear tire. Kenda K-Rad front tire. Tektro brake system. Single wall rims. I think they're single walls, but I don't know, but the back one's pretty weak, so I'm just going to assume that. Plastic pivotal seat. It's kind of comfortable, but when you have a wallet in your pocket, it really feels like there's kind of padding there, so I don't really mind. But otherwise, the bike's pretty much stock, and I got a new back tire for it for Christmas. It's Maxxis Grifter Kevlar folding tire. Really, really nice. Overall, this bike is really, really great. I've had it for about 4 or 5 months, and it's pretty much held up to it, so yeah, this was my bike check. Verde BMX42, out.